Good morning, students. Today, Economics, Unit 3, Food Security and Nutrition. Today, students, today I am going to complete this lesson, Unit 3, Economics. Listen here carefully, students. Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu. MPI, Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index report in 2018 was in very good progress. In this, after 2018, the poverty want to reduce in Tamil Nadu, particularly Tamil Nadu. The reduced in Tamil Nadu, poverty were reduced. And last decade, 10 years before, the poverty was significant progress in poverty reduction. Significant progress in poverty reduction. The people standard of living is very high compared to the last decade. The 2018 report in Tamil Nadu, the districts of Tamil Nadu were divided into three. Some districts were high level of poverty. Some districts were moderate level of poverty. Some districts were low level of poverty district. There are three kinds, classified into three. The high poverty districts were very high poverty. Their standard is very low. Moderate poverty, moderately they live. Poverty reduction. And low level poverty districts were suffered a lot. The low level poverty district, their standard of living is very high and standard of living is very low and their per capita income also very low. The low level poverty districts also exist in our state, Tamil Nadu. In 1994, the government implemented a scheme and they wanted to reduce the poverty in Tamil Nadu. And 2005 also, the scheme were implemented for the purpose of poverty reduction. Noted nutrition and health status. The nutrition and health status, self-sufficiency is given importance. They wanted to increase the production for all the people. Self-sufficiency is the motive of nutrition and health status. Their condition, nutritious condition, want to uplift. Health status also notified. The rural and urban area women, rural areas and urban areas women were undernourished in condition. Undernourished. So, they wanted to uplift their standard of living and also nutritious and health status want to develop. Nutrition and health status in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, the economic development is very slow. They are economically backward in a position. Because of population were very high. According to the population, their self-sufficiency is very less. So, not able to provide all the people to develop self-sufficiency. So, the Tamil Nadu government taken steps to develop self-sufficiency in Tamil Nadu. The government works, both central government and state government worked hard. Both central and state government worked hard for the development of health status in Tamil Nadu. Nutrition and health status. The central government and state government joined together and started many schemes like that. One is ICDS, Integrated Child Development Series. Integrated Child Development Services. Integrated Child Development Services were introduced by both central government and state government. For that, child, particularly the care of the child was the motive of in these ICDS programs. The ICDS centers look after the children health condition and nutrition condition. Want to maintain the ICDS. After that, government implemented a scheme known as midday meals. All the students want to provide midday meals were provided for the purpose of reduce the dropouts and also the increase the admissions. More and more students want to learn education. Education were given importance during that time. That's why the midday meal schemes were introduced. RCH, Reproductive and Child Health Program. Reproductive and Child Health Program known as RCH. Child Health Program was started in all over state in Tamil Nadu, and they motive the child health program were motivated. They wanted to improve the child health care through the RCH, Reproductive and Child Health Program. NRHM, National Rural Health Mission. National Rural Health Mission, NRHM. National rural level, the village areas is there in our Tamil Nadu. More and more village areas is there. In the village areas, they wanted to improve the rural people, particularly the rural people health conditions. The nutritious food were provided to the National Rural Health Mission, where provided more and more food security in our state. Tamil Nadu status. The Tamil Nadu health and nutrition status under 6 years children were care of by the government of India. The 6-year children were motivated and provided the nutritious food to the 6-year children. Not only the 6-year children, the pregnant woman to take care of by the government. Pregnant woman. Then lactatic mothers. Lactatic mothers also provided care by the government. And adolescent girls. Adolescent girls also provided the more and more nutritious and health status were care of by the government. The Tamil Nadu status is uplifted nowadays, improved. Particularly nutrition and health status. The ICDS scheme, Integrated Child Development Services, and Purachi Thalaivar MGR Noon Meal Program. Purachi Thalaivar MGR Noon Meal Program. These are all given. Noon Meal Program were started by the MGR, and development of the admissions of the people, I mean students, and more admissions were provided to the people. That's why the Noon Meal Program were started by the MGR and avoided the dropouts in the elementary school level. That's why the scheme were implemented. They provided more and more facilities to the children. Malnutrition. The malnutrition, they eliminate, government of India eliminated the malnutrition in our country. Malnutrition. In particular in Tamil Nadu. They reduced the malnutrition. Many people were not having the food and other nutritious food. So, government want to eliminate the malnutrition condition in districts of. In Tamil Nadu, there are 54,439 child centers is there, and 434 child development blocks is there. And these child centers and child development blocks look after the children below the 6 years of children, and also 6 to 14 years care of in these child centers and child development blocks. the primary schools were established in Tamil Nadu, and primary schools, more and more admissions were given to the primary schools. Then Purachi Thalaivar MGR, nutritious meal program was started in all the districts of Tamil Nadu, provided Purachi Thalaivar MGR nutritious meal program, and according to that, more and more children were admitted in schools and dropouts were reduced nowadays noted. Students, now recall, listen here now. Multi-dimensional poverty index 2018 report in Tamil Nadu, the last decade, the significant progress in the poverty reduction in Tamil Nadu. The poverty districts were divided into three, classified into three. One is the high level of poverty, moderate level of poverty, and low level of poverty districts is that. According to that, government implemented many schemes and reduced the poverty in all the districts nowadays. 1994 and 2005, the poverty reductions were established in our country, particularly in Tamil Nadu. Nutrition and health status. The nutrition and health status want to progress. The government provided the self-sufficiency of food to all the people, nutritious food, and rural and urban area women were undernourished condition. So they were government taken steps and developed the men and women progress in our state. Nutrition and health status in Tamil Nadu. Our state in Tamil Nadu, the economic condition is growth is very slow. Tamil Nadu government implemented many schemes like that ICDS, Integrated Child Development Services. Both central government and state government joined together and started these schemes. And midday meals were introduced all over country. Particularly Tamil Nadu were entered into the midday meal scheme. And RCH, reproductive and child health program were started. Child health program, particularly look after the child health. And NRHM, National Rural Health Mission. Village areas want to health mission was started in rural areas and look after the development of health conditions in the children, particularly the children. Note it. Tamil Nadu status. In Tamil Nadu status, in health and nutrition status, under 6-year children were motivated and they provided more and more nutritious food to the under 6-year children. Not only the under 6-year children, but also the pregnant women, lactating mothers and adolescent girls. All the provided the nutritious and health condition and health status also look after by the government of Tamil Nadu. ICDS, Integrated Child Development Services scheme and Purachi Thalaivar MGR noon meal program also started in Tamil Nadu. And according to that, they provide more and more nutritious food to the students. Malnutrition. Malnutrition want to eliminate by the government of Tamil Nadu. Many people are malnutrition condition in Tamil Nadu. So they wanted to eliminate the malnutrition condition in Tamil Nadu, particularly the rural area. In Tamil Nadu, there are 54,439 child centers is there. 434 child development blocks is there. And primary schools were started by the government of Tamil Nadu. And dropout rates were reduced in Tamil Nadu. Noted. And Purachi Thalaivar MGR nutritious meal program benefited all the people in Tamil Nadu state, and many children were provided more and more nutritious food nowadays. Noted. Okay then, today completed the lesson, students. Tomorrow we will see with the new lesson.